so icy.
And it's basically the same except that it has a bigger turning circle.
And it's a little bit more powerful.
I'm so proud of you, Angel. Straight on the Shaw's Creek and then turn right on Bush, and then we're at the dollar store. Then we don't have to drive all the way through Erin.
Okay. And then left is higher ground.
Yeah. Is this the first time that you drive the truck on the road?
Yes. You're getting a phone call.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi. Can you get 2 bags of water softener salt?
Okay.
Great, thank you.
So this is where they are planning this sewage treatment plant. We're going to be driving by it.
Here?
No, on the right side after, what is it, 10th line?
So we also could have taken Winston Churchill and then gone right here.
Right, yeah. So right after the 10th line is a big field on the right, and that's where they are planning a big subdivision that needs this sewage plant.
Right. Look, stop sewage. You missed the sign.
Yeah, right here, Angel. 15,000 homes planned.
So they're cutting all those trees down?
I guess.
A lot of trees there. Oh no, there's like, they're probably gonna leave them all of them because it's for like privacy. Because it takes a long time for a tree to grow for like aesthetic reasons. Like people like to have trees like in their front yards and backyards so that they look nice, you know? He's going really slow. Actually, the first one's not even the dollar store. So should I just pull in? Do you think? I'm like going here. And then I just turn it?
Yeah. Super good driving, Angel.
Thank you.
How do you feel about the depth of the journey?
I think it sucks, but like hopefully we get a cool new car. Sorry, I'm just trying to orient myself here. See, there's no Wonder Woman inside, but I'm choosing to use the other side. The only thing, like, I can drive this thing, but just parking and narrow roads, you know.
You're doing amazing, Angel.
Like, Main Street is just kind of narrow, except for like up here where like or back, you know, where it becomes like the turning lane and the other guy.
And he needs to be picked up at the library.
Okay. So many cars. Everyone picked up their kids. You can see all the kids in the passenger seats. You see that?
Yeah.
It's funny.
It's that time of day.
These kids that won't hit you. Nice Tesla. There he is, I see him. You can't even go over there because of the buses. Come on, Dan. Go. Oh, that's the curb.
Oh,
where's the
seatbelt?
Don't ask me these questions, bro. Seatbelts are for the weak.
Okay, maybe you have to wait and let the
I'm not going to stop right in the middle of this part.
I
I think I have to go right.
You got it? There's not a curb.
That was not a curb, that was a speed bump. Can you do a driver's test in a truck?
I think so. Why not?
I think you're just making it harder for yourself. The parking parts, you know? Because you gotta do a parallel park. Alright, Mom, you're kind of blocking my view here. Is this kid gonna cross, or what? Go! Go! Thank you, sir. He's got the same backpack as you, I think. Or the least thing I want to do is hit a child on my first time driving the truck, you know? Yeah, this truck is like it's not that fuel efficient, I guess, because we're on half a tank and it says that there's only 250 kilometers left. Mishka, how was your day? What subject are you learning? Mom, turn the camera on? You're covering my view of the road, so... Watch me whip. Because we're rolling down the road. It also brakes better, but also the Journey's brakes were broken, so there's that as well. Woo! Woo!
It's a 60 road.
You're a 60 road. Have you seen people drive on this road? Have you seen a cop on this road? The answer is,
Plenty.
well, guess what? Fuck the Does this have a gate button?
Yeah, of course. Above your head.
The school bus has been following me.
Just park it in front of the garage.
And by in front of the garage, do you mean in front of the garage? Or do you mean in front of the barn?
No garage.
Okay.
Because we have shopping.
Yeah, but like, oh god. Oh no. The fucking driveway is a complete ice sheet. It's kind of epic. But it doesn't give you a lot of traction. I could do a fat drift around the corner of this driveway and like knock down all the metal poles. But I refrained. So. Oh my god, it's happening. It's actually happening. I just manifested something. Did you see that? Did you feel that?
I saw it.
That was horrifying, to be honest. But I'm like, I could do a fatty drift, and then I literally spun up out of control, and now I can't move. Okay.
Put it in 4-wheel drive, so put it in park first.
You have to do a park?
Yeah. And then you put it in 4-wheel drive, and then you wait.
It showed up there.
Okay.
Ease into it. I just don't want to hit the pole. And then I do this, and then I do the honor or the next person to put it in 2-wheel drive. I did it. It happened. I did it.